I chopped up the cabbage, getting ready to make the stir fry. I've added chopped onions and tomatoes to the cabbage. This is going to be stir fried. I'm going to cut up this tofu for my stir fry. I've chopped up the tofu for the stir fry. Okay, I'm stir frying in the oven because I only added a tiny bit of oil. The cabbage, the tomatoes, the onion. I chopped up one of the jalapeno peppers from my mom's garden, and the tofu, and then I added some nutritional yeast and a little bit of salt instead of like a soy sauce. So the nutritional yeast will be making a sauce for this cabbage stir fry. Okay, I've pulled the tofu, cabbage, onion, tomato stir fry out of the oven because I stir fried it in a large pan with a tiny bit of oil, canola oil, some nutritional yeast and salt as the flavoring. I did not use soy sauce. So this is what it looks like before I serve it on a plate. Okay, so this is what the tofu stir fry looks like. The cabbage and the tomatoes and the onions on the plate. Nice piece of tofu. Then I use peppers and nutritional yeast to give this stir fry a nice flavor with a tiny bit of salt. I did not use soy sauce, so I can't wait to try it. Yummy.